Anger on the streets in Tamil Nadu after that brutal stabbing incident against a doctor in Chennai. Doctors in different parts of the state are staging protests after the gruesome attack that took place on government hospital's oncologist Dr. Balaji. This happened in Kalaignar Super Speciality Hospital in Chennai. Now, it was a family member of a patient who brought a knife and started to stab a senior doctor. He's now stable. The doctor is recovering presently. The accused has been arrested, but other doctors and medical professionals are agitated. They are demanding enhanced security at hospitals, demanding that the government ensure that such attacks do not happen in future. Shilpa Nair is joining me for the latest on that. Shilpa, where all the protests are happening, what are you hearing from, and what has brought these doctors out on the streets right now?
Well, Pooja, in almost all districts of Tamil Nadu, we are seeing government doctors staging protests condemning the gruesome attack that took place yesterday against senior oncologist Dr. Balaji here at the Kalaignar multi-speciality hospital in Chennai. All these doctors, of course, demand that there should be enhanced security for doctors and other healthcare staff in hospitals across the state, because this is not the first time that such an attack is taking place. You know, doctors and other healthcare professionals are at the receiving end of such protests, of such attacks and violence from bystanders, from family members of patients, etc. So they are, of course, demanding that the government needs to step in and ensure that such incidents don't happen in the future. And here in Chennai as well, at this very particular hospital, we are expecting the doctors to stage a protest around 11:30. That is what the doctors here are telling us. So clearly, the doctor community, they're mounting pressure on the state government, because they believe strict action needs to be taken. From the government side, yesterday the health minister, along with the health secretary, top police officials and also representatives from the Doctors Association and Nurses Association, all of them held a meeting charting out what needs to be done going forward. And in that meeting, the doctors very clearly emphasized to the government that, one, they need to enhance security at hospitals. Second, they've demanded that there should be more CCTVs, more police security given to some of these hospitals, and also the number of bystanders who are allowed to go inside the hospitals, that should be regulated. That was one of the main demands that the doctors put forward. And apart from that, they also demanded the government to fill in the vacancies, because there's many hospitals are understaffed, so they're asking the government to fill up those vacancies as well. So these were some of the main demands that were put forward by several of these doctor associations, and the government, of course, assured them that all of this will be fulfilled at the earliest. In fact, the government said they've already released a blueprint. They've had multiple meetings at the chief secretary level, and directions have been issued to the health officers in all districts of Tamil Nadu to ensure that there is CCTVs.
And this is concerning, and it's not just Tamil Nadu. There have been other states as well, but this time, remember, the stabbing incident is raising concern. There's political showdown as well. Shilpa, you'll be tracking all the latest. I'll come back to you in a short while. Basically, what happened was at a Chennai hospital, a senior doctor, was stabbed with a knife 7 times by the son of a cancer patient who was undergoing treatment at the hospital. Now, the accused has been nabbed by the police, but the heat is also mounting on the Stalin government to act on this incident. Doctors have met the health ministry officials of the state. They are asking for increased security at the hospital premises, but also a check on the visitors who come with regard to the patients. Hospital vacancies also to be filled so that there are enough resources and staff members. India's top medical body has condemned this incident, saying the medical profession is deeply disturbed. All governments are now put on notice to ensure doctors' safety. So while this is what is happening amid the medical fraternity, what are our netas saying? The BJP to the AIDMK are mounting the heat on Stalin government. The new outfit, TVK chief and actor Vijay, also slammed the state government, claiming that this is like a total breakdown of law and order under the Stalin government, that someone can just walk into a hospital premises with a knife and start to stab a doctor.
Doctor is fine and he is fully recovered from anesthesia and surgery, and he is conscious, well oriented, obeying commands, interacting with the family members in a nice manner, and he has also expressed about its previous ailments and what treatment he has undergone, and he was very keen on finding out what is his health status on his own from the treating doctors. And today morning also we visited. He is sitting in a chair and eating his breakfast, and he also interacted with the health minister during his visits and interacted with him. about his health condition. He is fine and absolutely out of danger. He will be shifted very soon to the special ward.
Government of Tamil Nadu, from the month of August itself, we have actually prepared a blueprint. Important instructions have already been given to the hospitals, and this is the work in progress. We have told all the hospitals that you display the punitive provisions of the Hospital Security Act. That if there is any kind of a violence which is within the premises of the hospital, what would be the punishment which will be made available. So that display is being made now in all the hospitals. Many hospitals have already done it.
We are strongly condemn the Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Health Minister. Continuously, our Honorable Leader of Opposition, Mr. Edapadi Palaniswamy, keep telling there is no law and order in Tamil Nadu. The life-saving doctor has been affected me. Then what kind of safety for a common man? That's what our question is.
It's very serious issue of doctor being attacked by hooligans, and it needs thorough investigation. Doctors, duty-bound doctors who are doing it as profession, as their noble profession, standing with the people of poor, voiceless people in government hospitals should be protected. And it's a very unfortunate thing which doesn't happen usually in Tamil Nadu in hospitals. This kind of unruly behavior by any one of them should be dealt very seriously. I hope that the health minister and the other officials, particularly the police, takes this as a very serious thing, provide the adequate security to the hospital.
The incident could have happened, and we could not see that it is an individual incident of a particular person who is uncontrolled himself and he has attacked the doctor. There are various reasons for which, and the government has to understand that how pathetic the situation of the working hours of the doctors and nurses in the government hospital. Immediately they have to understand the need of filling the vacancies as well as understanding their work.
Remember, apart from the colleagues of the political showdown, it's the family of the doctor currently horrified with what happened. India Today spoke with Dr. Balaji's wife and mother as well. Let's listen into what they have to say.
நல்லா பேசுனாங்க. நாங்க அதாங்க வீட்டுக்கு நல்லா இருக்காங்கம்மா.
நல்லா இருக்காங்களா?
நல்லா இருக்காங்க.
உங்ககிட்ட பேசுறாரா?
எல்லார்கிட்டயும் பேசுறாங்க. நல்லா இருக்காங்க.
இப்போ எங்கம்மா போறீங்க?
எங்க வீட்டுக்கு. நல்லா இருக்க தூரத்துக்கு தான் போறோம். நல்லா காமிச்சிட்டாங்க. நல்லா கையை கொஞ்சம் எடுத்துன போதும்.